Hello, everyone. It is Mark Noble from Grove with some more 25.07 updates. This time we're looking at DIS 657, which is all about um, making web content better. So, images, PDFs, all of those, making sure that users don't overwrite each other's content, making it better for administrators so they don't interfere with each other. Some of this is sort of similar to the sideload functionality that we did within 2506. But yeah, let's dive into it. So let's go to our permissions. And if we look at our permissions, I'm going to switch to my library web admin role and scroll down to the web builder. So here we have a few new options. So under administer web content, we now have the ability to, so no web content, administer all web content, or administer web content for the home library. And administer the web content for your home library is the new functionality um, that allows us to only be able to change images and PDFs that are shared with us, similar to how we could do shared sideloads in 2506 or that we have created. So that's what I have set up. I currently have two different users here, one on the Aspen interface and one on the Maple interface. And let's upload some images. Both of these users have just the ability to do things for their home users. So let's go ahead and create a couple of images. So here for Maple, we're going to do our Maple summer reading. This is going to be owned by the Maple Library, not shared. And we'll pick an image. So we're going to pick our Maple summer reading. And we're just going to save those changes and stay here and have all of those generated for us. Now, one thing to notice is these all get renamed. So instead of this being, so the image that I uploaded was called Maple Summer Reading. These all get renamed now based off of the where it's being used. So in this case, they're all web builder image 16. So the 16 is the ID of this object or of this image. So these are all unique. That means that they will not interfere with each other. You could upload that Maple summer reading to multiple interfaces, multiple different images, and it would never change it. So we've definitely had some problems in the past with people having several members of a consortium upload logo.png, and that overwrites the logo for all of the other libraries that were using logo.png. So that will no longer be an issue, which is amazing. So you don't have to worry as much about those names. Similarly, let's go here into the Aspen interface. Let's just refresh this page real quick. And we're going to see that although it was added, we don't have that Maple one. So that should show up here as the Maple summer reading, and that does not exist. So let's add another new one. And we'll call this Aspen summer reading. Owned by Aspen. Just to show the difference, we're going to go ahead and share this with, let's share it with all libraries, but make it read only. If for some reason they wanted to see our summer reading logo, we're going to upload that and save those changes. So here, there's our summer reading. We see that. Let's go into it. Again, we can see that those images have all been renamed. If we go look at the Maple interface now, and we go look at our list of all So we're going to see, we can see that Aspen summer reading, but it's not going to be editable. So we can go in and look at it. But we can't change anything. If you notice, the cursor is grayed out. So we can't change anything at all for any of that. But we can use it and look at it and that kind of thing. So we can view it if we want. There it is. This also then works with PDFs. So let's go back and we're going to go to PDFs. We're going to edit, or actually, we're not going to edit. We're going to upload a new one. We're going to call this, we're just going to upload the specification for that we did for the not allowing file overwrite. So we'll just do that. We're going to pick that image and save those changes. And we'll see when we save that it renames that file. So it's now Web Builder PDF 2. And we've got the thumbnail so we can view our thumbnail. Good stuff there. So, and again, we don't have to worry about those overriding each other. And you still have control over who that's shared with. So if we share this with all libraries or all libraries read only, we would be able to see that from the Maple interface. This same functionality is working throughout Aspen. So if you're adding images to themes, if you're adding images to web resources, if you're adding images to placards, every place you can add an image, we are renaming those uniquely. So you don't have to worry about making sure that they're unique on your own. So we think this is going to be really great functionality for consortia trying to administer large numbers of images and different interfaces. So thanks to CW Mars for sponsoring this. We're really looking forward to having it in production. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk to you next time.